Ever wondered if upgrading your crypto cold storage is truly necessary, or if it's just a fancy new label for the same old security? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tangem, specifically unmasking the differences between the Tangem Wallet 1.0 and the newer Tangem Wallet 2.0. Is one inherently more secure? Does one offer features you simply can't live without? Let's peel back the layers and discover which Tangem card truly holds the key to your peace of mind. For those unfamiliar, Tangem wallets represent a unique approach to cold storage. Unlike traditional hardware wallets with screens and buttons, Tangem offers a credit card-sized solution. Your private keys are generated and stored securely on the chip within the card, and you interact with your crypto via an NFC-enabled smartphone. It's an elegant, minimalist design that appeals to many who find other hardware wallets cumbersome. The original Tangem Wallet 1.0, often simply referred to as Tangem, was a pioneering product. It introduced the concept of a multi-currency cold wallet in a sleek card form factor. Each card came preloaded with a specific firmware version, and for many, it was a breath of fresh air in the hardware wallet space. It boasted a high-security chip, EAL6 Plus certified, ensuring robust protection against physical and logical attacks. The simplicity of use, just tap and transact, was a major draw. However, a key characteristic of the 1.0 was its fixed firmware. Once manufactured, the firmware couldn't be updated. While this offered a certain level of immutable security, it also meant that any new features or improvements would necessitate a new card. Now, let's talk about the Tangem Wallet 2.0, or as some call it, Tangem 2.0. The most significant leap forward with the 2.0 version is its upgradable firmware. This is a game changer. Imagine a future where new security protocols emerge, or new cryptocurrencies gain significant traction. With Tangem 2.0, your existing card can be updated to support these advancements, extending its lifespan and keeping you at the forefront of crypto security. This flexibility is a huge advantage for long-term users and those who want their cold storage solution to evolve with the ever-changing crypto landscape. Beyond upgradable firmware, Tangem 2.0 also introduced support for multiple cards within a single wallet set. With Tangem 1.0, each card was essentially a standalone wallet. Tangem 2.0 allows you to have a set of 2 or 3 cards that act as backups for each other, providing an extra layer of redundancy. If you lose one card, you can still access your funds with another card from your set. This multi-card backup system significantly enhances the resilience of your cold storage. From a security perspective, both versions utilize the same high-grade EAL6 Plus certified secure element. The core cryptographic protection remains robust across both iterations. The difference lies more in the future-proofing and redundancy offered by Tangem 2.0. The ability to update firmware means that any potential vulnerabilities discovered in the future can be patched, and new cryptographic standards can be adopted without needing to purchase an entirely new set of cards. The multi-card backup feature in 2.0 addresses a common concern about single points of failure in cold storage. In essence, while Tangem 1.0 laid the groundwork for a revolutionary cold storage solution, Tangem 2.0 refines and enhances that vision. It's not about one being bad and the other good, but rather about evolution and addressing user needs for greater flexibility and redundancy. If you're an early adopter with a Tangem 1.0, you still have a highly secure wallet. But if you're looking to invest in a cold storage solution that can adapt and grow with the crypto ecosystem and offers enhanced backup capabilities, Tangem 2.0 presents a compelling upgrade. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.